Well, hey everyone. What we have for a project today is an older Getzen Eterna Severnson trumpet with a rotted lead pipe. You can see the silver plating is bubbling. That's because the metal underneath, and that's a gold brass tube that it originally came with, is deteriorating and it's essentially rotting out. So the customer elected to have the pipe replaced with the exact gold brass, then silver plated, rather than a nickel tube. Now we had two options to do this. We could have just replaced the lead pipe tube or replaced the entire works. And because the price was good on this, we just decided to go ahead and replace the whole thing. So by request, I am not going to do a lot of talking or singing or trying to narrate or play music behind this video. I'm just going to shoot the raw video, and you just get to see the process of installing a new lead pipe on a trumpet. And it's a pretty straightforward process. It involves a little bit of soldering. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. And if you like it, check out my other content at Jim Flies 2. And I have brass restorations. I have some other videos that are not related to repair, but please check it out and please like it. And if you like it, subscribe and send the video link to other people that you think may enjoy this. That would really be great. Thank you so much for watching. Get this all aligned. Just clamp it. Clamp it. Clamp it in place. see a little better. There we go. So that diamond flange. All right, let's do this one. Hey. Get in all the nooks and crannies there with the silver polishing cloth. Tripod's a little in my way, but it works. I think, if I'm not mistaken, this trumpet is in for a chem flush. Let me check the work order. Yes, it is in for a chem flush cleaning as well, so I don't have to spend... I do want to get any solder tinning off of this, and then we'll do the chem flush on it. But just for the demo of lead pipe replacement, we're just going to leave it at that. A quick and easy video. There we go. 1, 2, 3. Tuning slide is nicely aligned. Here's the old pipe. That's just waiting to crack. Thanks for watching.